Kai, do not kill my dog. Do not kill my dog.
I'm not killing the dog. The dog is killing me, if anything.
Okay, that works. That's fine. Dude. That song is bad. Quiet, shut up. No, shut up. You just let her bite you. Are you stupid?
Yes.
I expected that.
I just got a message from.
Wait, how is my dog bite stronger? Is she more insane?
No, Annie knows me better, so she doesn't bite me.
Wee.
I think it's just a matter of energy. Annie's not as energetic as Pepper is.
Well, she has some of the puppy energy that she needs to expel by ripping off your limbs.
Don't rip off my limbs. Rip off Austin's limbs.
No, my limbs are unrippable off. You just grabbed her teeth. I think, yeah. That's just stupid.
Waiting for something.
No!
How do
you know that?
It's a good song.
No, it's not. Stop singing that way you're being devoured. No. You're taunting me.
Radio. Asking God if he could play it again.
No, Kai, you shouldn't say that.
I know God doesn't exist, Austin.
Yeah,
it's just a good song.
Puppy, oh! I'm gonna eat your tummy, boy.
Why would you want to eat her tummy?
Itch, I said. Yes, delicious.
Listen to the radio. Waiting for something to come along. What's good as awesome.
No, it's not. It's setting things on fire. No, that is the worst lyric ever. Or at least it's kind of close. You're getting battle scars.
She could have ripped my finger off if she wanted to.
She's just
She has. Dogs have mouth strength, but humans have arm and leg strength.
No, we don't have any strength.
Yeah, we do.
We're just stupid. Get him!
What are you trying to do to her?
She started it.
Typical. No, that's not even funny.
I just got a message from
Stand up.
He says,
Speak out. Stand up. Speak out. Get eaten by a dog.
Shut up!